So I went to McDonald's the other day and they did me wrong.
They did you wrong. How'd they do you wrong?
Well, I haven't been to McDonald's in a long time.
I never go to McDonald's, sorry.
And so I saw a commercial for a Big Mac with bacon and their bacon cheesy fries, and it sounded delicious.
It doesn't sound like traditional McDonald's, really.
No, and so I had to go get it. And? Hey, what's up?
Yo, what's up, man?
Hey, have you heard of the Big Mac bacon?
No.
I want to go check it out.
Let's do it.
All right, cool. Yeah, could I try the bacon Big Mac meal?
Lord, we got a bacon Big Mac meal and instead of a medium fry, we got cheesy bacon fries, along 47 at the first window.
All right, thank you. Awesome, thank you. All right, thanks. Oh, shoot. Cheesy bacon fries, too?
I just don't know. I just don't know what to think about bacon on a Big Mac.
God, I hope it's good.
It's just a classic, you know?
Hope it's good. Dude.
All right, dude.
Can't wait.
I don't know what to think, because the Big Mac's kind of a classic, so I'm trying to imagine bacon on it.
Yeah, cheesy fries. Let's see. I forgot what McDonald's fries tasted like.
Yeah, you said you've always liked those. Okay.
Big Mac.
I'd do a drum roll, but I don't know how to do a drum roll.
Bacon. What is this? This is the burger?
That's the patty. Yeah, it's thin. How much you spend on that?
Has it always? It's like $12.
Yeah, it's always been that thin. How's the bacon look?
I mean, it looks all right. It's, well, it's crispy. That's kind of disappointing.
Yeah. $12?
Yeah.
I bet we could do better.
Probably.
Wow, that looks like we could do a way better job.
Yeah, and it was $12.
We could do it for cheaper too.
Yeah, so we're gonna show you how you're gonna be able to make it for less.
And it'll probably take you about the same amount of time once you have to get in your car, drive down there, sit in the drive-thru, and wait for it to be prepared.
All right, let's get going.
Let's do it. So what makes a Big Mac is the secret sauce.
And we're gonna show you how to make that secret sauce in a second, but first, we have to chop up the lettuce and the onions.
And while we're doing that, we're gonna throw the hamburgers and the bacon in the pan. Okay, so we're gonna start our timer right now, and we'll see how long it takes. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put a little salt and pepper on the base of this. We're not gonna add any oil because we don't really need to. The fat's gonna come out of the burgers anyways. We just want it to not stick initially, so we're just gonna put a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper on the base. So we're good right there. Down go our burgers. And these burgers are substantially thicker than McDonald's burgers, so we're only gonna be using one patty a piece. And we're not gonna be using the middle bun either, because a lot of people don't like bread. And now we wait. So the burgers are doing nice. You'll know that they're done because they're gonna be kind of browned on the top. So it's not time to flip them yet. They're still not quite ready. But when we get a brown ridge kind of up here, that means the heat's transferred enough that we're gonna flip it over. That means it's also transferred into the center of the burger. So we're not gonna be eating, some raw, burgers. We don't want that.
Okay, while Purpose is cooking up the burgers and the bacon, I'm gonna chop up the lettuce. We probably only need that much lettuce. And the way McDonald's does it is they just kind of shred the lettuce like so. And we're gonna keep that in here. And then we need to chop the onions. Make sure you chop it up nice and small. And now you need some pickles on there. So instead of like slicing it in chips, we're gonna do something different. We're gonna slice it longwise.
Okay, so I don't know if it's coming through on film, but we have pretty much a brown edge coming up in here. So we're gonna go ahead and flip these really nice. And see, we didn't have to put any oil in the pan because the grease coming off the burger is perfect enough. Okay, we're gonna give these burgers one more flip, and we don't really need to, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our cheese on top of the hot side, shut that off, and now our cheese can melt right on it. There's one, boom. Perfect. We'll just set these on our little pan here, and the cheese will continue to melt as it sits there. So now we're gonna do the bacon. We're gonna throw it on the grill here, like so. And again, the bacon we are using is far superior to the bacon that you're gonna get on a McDonald's Big Mac burger. And now, we're gonna toast our buns, man. So we're gonna throw them right here on the grill and toast them up. 2 minutes probably tops is all it's gonna take, because anything more will probably dry them out. Okay, so while our fries are finishing up, we're gonna work on the sauce.
Okay, so I did some research online, and it's basically mayonnaise, mustard, relish, and for the spices, it's garlic powder, paprika, and onion powder, and then a splash of white vinegar. Okay, so I think it's like 3-to-1 mixture. So let's do 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 of mustard, relish in there. The recipe's online, but like ratios and stuff, obviously it's a secret sauce. A little bit of garlic, onion powder, and I guess the paprika is the one that makes it, give it that nice color. Do that, and a splash of vinegar. So let's mix that up.
Look at that orange Big Mac-y color.
All right, that's the sauce right there.
Super simple. Okay, so all we have left is the cheesy bacon fries. We're gonna do it a little different. They use kind of a liquid cheese sauce. We're just gonna put grated cheese on it, because the Big Mac is what we were really trying to create, but we're creating the fries too because we want to. And then we're gonna put the chopped bacon right on there. We didn't put these steps in because they're pretty basic. There we go.
And then heat it up in the microwave.
Yeah, now it's time to build it. Super easy to do. We're gonna put the sauce on first. Put a sauce on there. Put some sauce on there. Onions. Shredded lettuce. We'll go 4 pickles crossed. And now the burger with our bacony goodness.
Oh, yeah, and our bacon cheesy fries.
Okay, so we have our finished product right here. We are both famished. We are ready to eat.
Look at that.
Yeah.
It's a McDonald's inspired Big Mac. We don't have the middle bun, which is all right with me.
Yeah, me too.
The cheesy bacon fries looks delicious.
The bacon is far superior to the one you're going to find on a Big Mac, as well as the burger is a lot thicker. But we're only using 1 burger too, so.
Yeah. So I am going to dig in, man.
Me too. Me too.
Oh my God. That sauce is perfect.
Exact. So these things come in about $2.50 a piece, and that's with the fries.
I spent like $12 on that Big Mac and the fries just for one person. It only took us like a half an hour to put all this stuff together. So if you're cooking your burger, your bacon, and your fries at the same time, you're gonna probably get in there like in 20 minutes.
Pretty close to the same amount of time that if you went and you know, how far is our closest McDonald's? We'd have to drive. We'd be at a half an hour too.
But this burger, I'm telling you, it's delicious.
Far superior.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you want to know like what the recipe is for the special sauce, comment below, and I will comment back. I'll get kind of a ratio of how it was made, because that sauce is perfectly dead on to McDonald's secret sauce. So,
which is awesome. Yeah.
And if you like this video, please like down on the bottom,
Down below,
and subscribe on around here. And we'll see you on the next video.
We'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.
I got McDonald's, and you can't get none,